Welcome to the Santa Maria Discovery Interactive Exhibit, starting in 3, 2, 1.
The Santa Maria Valley Discovery Museum is very excited to have the great recycling story in our museum. It allows children to learn through play about the importance of recycling and how what they do affects what happens on our planet. The children get to do things like send up water bottles, empty plastic bottles through a conveyor belt that goes into a hopper. They get to see a simulation of the bottles breaking apart, being cut up in small pieces, and then they get to use wands to show the interactivity of the exhibit and how those bottles can turn into various materials that can be used to recycle and make items like clothing and things like that. The goals of the exhibit are to help children become more aware of the importance of recycling, and that when they use a water bottle or a glass bottle, that they don't have to just throw it in the trash. There's something else that they can do with it that can be used in the future to make something easily usable for someone else. The City of Santa Maria has also contributed to the museum in a number of ways, including the storm drain here next to me. They funded that quite a while ago, as well as a recycling kiosk. So this area is pretty much the Santa Maria City area where a number of exhibits that they've helped fund and partner with us to teach kids about the importance of stormwaters and how they drain, and how when trash gets in it that's a problem for our sewage system, and then also the various aspects of recycling. Children of all ages love to play with these exhibits. We'll see kids as young as 2 playing with all of them. The kids like to crawl through the storm drain. They like to sit and use the wands. They especially like to use the conveyor belt and the crank to crank the bottles up the conveyor belt. And then when they realize that there's a hopper that they can press a button to that turns it on and they can see all the interactivity of that, they love to do that. There are a number of exhibits coming to the museum over the next 12 to 24 months. Most immediate, we are going to have a sensory path that we've purchased through a grant from Altrusa. We also received a donation for a new musical exhibit, so we're purchasing chimes and bongo drums that will go outside where children can play and listen to music. We have a new ag exhibit that's going to come in the next couple of years that we're working in the design phase now, and a coastal pier exhibit that we're working on as well. Both are huge exhibits. We're located in downtown Santa Maria at 705 South McClelland, and we're right behind the Cornerstone building on Jones and McClellan near the DMV, across from Abel Maldonado Youth Center. So we're smack downtown.